I'm Prachi Gupta. Welcome to today's COVID Bulletin. COVID-19 testing remains the mainstay for managing the rates of COVID-19 infection. In a bid to increase testing rates, VNIR Biotechnologies Private Limited has developed molecular probes and PCR mix for COVID-19 testing. VNIR is a spin-off company by DST's Bengaluru-based institute, Jawaharlal Nehru Centre for Advanced Scientific Research or JNCASR. RT-PCR kit requires three critical components: oligos, enzymes and molecular probes. Molecular probes, which are used to track amplification in RT-PCR tests, were being imported by the country. Apart from adding to the expenditure, this was also limiting the testing capacity in the country. Molecular probe development requires an understanding of synthetic molecules and their target. Based on the availability of chemicals, each step of the synthesis of molecular probes is optimized by judicious choice of protocols. VNIR will soon be filing for the protection of its process innovation. With VNIR developing the synthesis protocol of molecular probes, India will become self-reliant in carrying out the RT-PCR tests. Mask remains our main armor to keep the virus at bay. However, continuous reuse of N95 masks makes them less effective in warding off the virus, putting the user at risk. Working around this problem, Chakra Innovation, a startup incubated at IIT Delhi, has come up with a device that decontaminates N95 masks for reuse. Named as Chakra Decove, the device uses the ozone technology to decontaminate N95 masks in only 90 minutes for safe reuse. Ozone destroys viruses by diffusing through the protein coat, resulting in damaging the viral RNA. Using this device, a mask can be decontaminated up to 10 times for reuse. The device has a biosafety door and a catalytic reduction system to ensure utmost safety against any human exposure to ozone. Although UV-based disinfection systems are also available in the market, but they have limited penetration to effectively disinfect the N95 pores. The efficacy of the device in inactivating the virus has been tested at ICMR's National Institute of Virology. The startup is running successful pilots for this product in Pune and is now ready to scale this well-tested and reliable product. Let's hear more on this from the expert.
As you can see, once you have loaded all of the masks, N95 masks in the tray, you just load them inside the system. So once you have loaded the system, this system can accommodate almost 50 masks. Once the system is loaded, you have to just start the cycle. In the start of the cycle, you have to just enter a tag ID and also the operator name. These are for the traceability. As you can also see, we have provided Printer which will record each and every part of the cycle so that there is no issue of traceability for the hospitals. Once you start the cycle, it is a one-touch cycle. As soon as the cycle starts, you can see the cycle has started. A deep vacuum is generated inside the system. So why vacuum? Because this vacuum helps to for the sterilant to penetrate very easily in all of the corners of the mask and other areas. Once the vacuum is generated, we generate ozone for the required dosage. This dosage we have tested with ICMR NIV for the required 6-log reduction of bacteria and viruses, COVID viruses. Now once that dosage is given, the system starts reducing this ozone because ozone is a harmful gas and we do not release that ozone directly into the atmosphere. We have also developed a catalyst with the help of NCL. This catalyst very rapidly reduces this ozone back to oxygen so that once the venting starts, it is all safe on normal air which is being vented. And then once the reduction cycle is done, we start the aeration cycle where the air is actually pumped in and out for some time so that there is no residue of the ozone. While doing so, we have HEPA filters, hospital grade HEPA filters which are placed so that there is no chance of accidental contamination in the nearby area. All of this makes this device very user friendly. Apart from this, one of the critical thing which is safety, we have kept in concern about the safety. As you can see, this whole cycle works in deep vacuum. Because of that, there is no chance of leakage of ozone to the atmosphere or any harm to the operator. Apart from that, we have given 3-level safety, biosafety door so that there is no chance of leakages in the time of the cycle when it is running.
Alcohol alcohol-based sanitizers are harsh for skin, but they are the only economical way to inactivate microbes on hands. To bring an alternative to the sanitizers, Rashtriya Chemicals and Fertilizers Limited, which is a PSU under the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers, has developed RCF Safe Roller, a hand-cleansing IPA gel. This new gel contains isopropyl alcohol and aloe vera extract, which is skin-friendly. The gel is enriched with vitamin E and a fresh lime fragrance as well. Priced at 25 and 50 rupees per 50 ml and 100 ml respectively, the new sanitizer is cost-effective option to keep hands off the virus. Given the pandemic, a demand for sanitizers has increased, and the manufacturing of this gel will help in fulfilling the demand of sanitizers in the country. That is all for today. We will be back with another edition of COVID-19 Bulletin soon. Namaskar.